Good morning, class 7. Today I am giving you the project work. So within these days you have to complete your project for your oral marks. In project file, project work you have to do in the project file, either on scrapbook or on white pages. Those who do not have scrapbook, they can collect from the shop white pages and one file, and these pages should be 10 to 15, not more than 15, not less than 10. Please mention it, not less than 10 and not more than 15. Within these pages you have to complete these 3 questions. Question number 1. Collect 5 types of flowers along with its branches. That means if you suppose you pluck some hibiscus flower, so you have to cut some branch or along with the petiole and along with the leaves. If you will take the branch, then you will get the leaves, small, which can be pasted on your scrapbook or your file page. So in this way you have to collect 5 types of flowers along with the branches and leaves, and then keep them to dry, and you have to keep them to dry under some newspapers or some heavy books those who have in your home, though either elders are studying with them or already their studies is over. In those books you can keep them to dry, and after drying you have to paste on your project file or scrapbook. Safely, children, no part should be broken. Please, for that you can collect same flower 2 or 3 pieces. If suppose one piece becomes broken, then you can paste the another piece. And what about the names? Either if you know the English name, then you have to write English name or maybe botanical name. Just suppose if you will collect the hibiscus, so botanical name of the hibiscus is Hibiscus rosa sinanthes, full name. Or in English it is shoe flower. So in this way you have to write either English or botanical name. Question number 2. Collect 10 different types of leaves along with its stalk. You have to collect leaves. Just suppose mango leaf, papaya leaf, neem leaves, curry leaves, people leaf, all these things. Along with the stalk, माने उसकी डंडी होनी चाहिए along with the stalk. Then again you have to keep them to dry. After drying, again all these 10 types of leaves have to paste on your project file or on your scrapbook. Name again will be the same, either English or botanical name. See, for example, I have written people, name, etc. So children, please try to collect the leaves, those who have different shapes of their lamina. Just I can give you one example. There's mango leaf have different types of lamina or leaf blade. Ashoka leaves have different types of lamina or leaf blade. Guava leaves have different types of lamina in its own. So in this way you can collect 10 different types of leaves. Any leaves you can collect, but you should know the name either in English or botanical name. Now 3rd question. Collect 10 figures of animal. 10 figures of animal you can cut or you can draw also. If you will cut, it is good. If you will draw, it is very good. But the animal should like them. Whether you are drawing the horse and it will be look as ass, don't do like that. So these 10 animals either may be vertebrate or may be invertebrate. Both the kinds you can take, and collectively they should be 10 in number. Then identify their phylum or class, that means in which phylum or in which class they belong. Why they belong to these classes or phylum? You have to write only 2 points about it. Just suppose one example I am telling you. Suppose you collect the picture of fish. So fish is an aquatic animal, and then this aquatic animal should have gills for their respiration. So one point you can write that it is aquatic animal because it has gills and it belongs to the group species. Just suppose one example for frog. If you collect the figure of frog, then you can write this belongs to amphibia because it can live in water also and on land also. In this way, only 2 points you have to write about each and every phylum or class, and you have to collect 10 figures. Understood? Now, children, you should be clear that either you have to draw or you have to paste on your scrapbook if you have. If you do not have, then 10 to 15 pages you have to buy from the shop, and inside a file or along with the file you have to collect or you have to complete all these 3 questions for your project work. So children, this is over. 2 chapters are over. Plants, life and classification part 2. So these questions are given, this project work is given from these 2 chapters. So you have to complete, children. So this is your holiday homework. Thank you, children. God bless you.